Hey you all, and welcome back to my channel. So currently in Georgia, it's really gross, cold and rainy. And today I was going through some old footage and I came across footage of me at the beach. I can only dream. And I found footage of me trying a new photography technique, and I wanted to share it and show it to you all today. So check out the video, and if you learned a brand new technique from this video, well, obviously you would learn a brand new technique because I'm teaching it to you. I want you to try it out and I want you to share it with me. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Hey everybody, I am Tina, obviously, but I discovered this really cool photography technique from one of my friends. She's a photographer who's fantastic. Definitely follow her. I'll link her account below. But it's called free lensing, or I think I read somewhere else it's called like whacking. Weird, I don't know. But basically, with your camera, you need a lens that is shorter. So I love my 50mm, use it for everything. But basically, it's having your lens completely free of the camera. Now, you're not gonna totally damage the inside of your camera unless you're not mindful of the weather. So if it's like hailing or stones are flying left and right, don't do this. Don't try it at home, kids. But basically, you're gonna take this completely free of your camera and just shoot. So what this will create is the effect of a tilt shift lens, which is extremely expensive. Unless you've got the budget for it, I encourage you to try this technique. So I'm gonna show a couple of photos that I'm taking, and hopefully you can try it at home. Awesome. All right, so I literally just came out to shoot this morning. It's beautiful. We're at the beach. There's no people, but there's some subjects like the ocean, the leaves, the trees. So no excuses to try this trick at home. Like I said, all you need is a 50mm shorter lens. The longer ones are hard because it's gonna feel awkward and clunky. So start out with one that is short, that you can hold. It's gonna feel so awkward, but it's okay because the photos look like a dream. They literally look like angels are flying through your photo, and there's a little part that's in focus. But I'm excited. Make sure you tag me. I want to see what you create. And yeah. Pretty cool, right? Did you learn something new? Because I know when I learned that, it was like mind-blowing and I loved it so much. So if you did learn something new or you have been known about this, either way, let me know in the comments below. And be sure to tag me if you try this technique. I think it is so beautiful and so unique. So I'd love to see your art. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe.